Hello guys, this is allrover, and in this lecture we are going to see how the objects are stored in JavaScript. So when the object is created, somehow the memory location is allocated and the key value pair is stored, and object name is reference to that memory location. I will be showing you some of the examples, how it is stored and how we can understand the object more accurately. So see the example. In this I have created one object in which key value pair is p1 and 10 respectively. Now using the variable object2, I am giving the obj location to the obj2. Now what this will do is that both the obj and obj2 will refer to the same memory location, like this. Obj and obj2 will refer to the same memory location where the object is stored. Now if I change the value of p1 using the dot operator, as we have seen in the earlier lectures, obj.p1 to 100, then it whether it first I will be running this code till here. Step by step I'm doing it. First I have created the object obj. After that I have obj2 is initialized with obj. Now obj2 and obj are referring to the same memory location. Now see what the obj contain. Obj contains the p1 key and its value is 10, and we see what control z. And obj2, what obj2 is containing, obj2 is containing the same p1 and its value is 10. Now I'm changing the value of p1 using the obj2 object2. So p1 is initialized, change its value to 100. Now what obj2 is containing, obj2 is containing the value what we call p1 and its value will be 100. Now the interesting thing is what obj will contain. We have changed the value of p1 using object 2, but will it be reflected in the object also, obj also? Yes, because both are referring to the same memory location. So obj and obj2 p1 value both will be changed. So both the p1 value is changed to 100. Now we want to check whether obj and obj2 both are referring to the same memory location or different. For that we can use the double equal to operator for checking whether both are same or not. So you can see that the double equal to operator is returning the true value, means both are referring to the same memory location. It is comparing the obj and obj2 on the basis of memory location, not on the basis of values. Now again I am creating in this 12 to 14 line of code, I am creating the obj2 again using p1 key and its value is 100. So I am running it in the console window. You can see that p1 is initialized with 100, right? obj2. Now whether obj2 and obj will be the same or it will be different. Now it is going to be different because object2 has been created again, and object obj and obj2 are referring to the different memory location. Double equal to operator is comparing their memory location to which it is referring. Since it is referring to the different memory location, so the output is going to be false. So if we use the equal to operator and assign any object to another variable, then both are referring to the same memory location. But if we create a different object and then we will be comparing, then it output will be false as it will be referring to different memory location. Although its value of p1 is both in obj and obj2 is 100, but it is not equal because It is comparing its memory location, not its value. That's why its output of obj2 and obj are false. So this about the how the objects are stored in JavaScript, and how it is referring to how any variable name is referring to that memory location, and when it will be equal and when it will not be equal. It will not be equal if it is referring to the different memory location, and both the object name variable will be equal if it is referring to the same memory location. So this is all about in this lecture. Thank you so much for watching, and keep following the following lecture. Thank you very much.